Hi everyone, I want to introduce a new feature we just launched, bulk maintenance. It's built to make things easier for shop managers and equipment managers by allowing you to set up work orders for multiple assets all at once. This comes handy for tasks like manufacturer recalls, installing trackers, and any repetitive task that you want to create for multiple pieces of equipment. The process is straightforward. Simply go to the work order screen, tap on bulk maintenance, select multiple assets, and even filter them by assets type. For example, I will select here several of the dozers, create the work order information, the title, description, and so on, tap submit, and that's it. It's a simple way to streamline maintenance and free up time for more important tasks. The credit for this feature goes to our friends at Troy Companies at Lakeside Industries. A great idea. Give it a try and let us know what you think. Thanks.